This is the top level brake light for Aygo, and it's leaking water into the boot. So now we're going to remove it and try to seal it and reinstall it. To remove this top level brake light lamp, I think we just remove this screw and that screw. So let's try to do that. So I have the screw removed. Gradually. Let's see. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So here is the spray to the screen wash. Here is the electrical connection. I think the seal should be gone, and we're going to remove this water pipe connection and that electrical connection. To remove the pipe from here, the spray, you just twist it and pull it out. To remove this plug, you have a tab here. Just try to press it down, then pull it out from this socket. To separate the lamp and the bulb holder, we have 4 bulbs. You just press this tab and this tab toward the middle, and then pull this bulb holder out of the lamp. You can see here the old seal, not too bad, not broken anywhere, but it's actually leaked. So I made another rubber seal with the bicycle tube. This is the best I can make. It's a little bit curved, but hopefully it will help. So I will try if it works or not. So here you can see I put my bicycle tube seal over the old one. It is something like this. This is the top, that curve, and this is the bottom. So when I install, I will push it a little bit up like that. Hopefully it will help. To install the bulb holder back, you just take it, align the bulb with the hole, and then push it down until this clip into the position. And also at end, it will hold this red tab over here. So now this is the position after the bulb holder installed. Next, we're going to plug this in to this socket and push the pipe onto here. So finally, we're going to push this back into the position and install 2 screws at each side of the lamp. So now I have installed the 2 screws, and you can see somewhere you can see my rubber seal, but it seems okay, and at the bottom a little bit more here, but I think it looks fine, and I hope it will not leak. Another way to repair this seal is just to put some silicone sealer inside this and then just put it back. If it's a leak again, I will try the silicone sealer.